There are vehicles that take you places, and then there are those that let you live there. Meet the 2026 Volvo Camper Truck, a machine built not just to travel the world, but to conquer it in style. It's bold, it's powerful, and it redefines what luxury off-grid really means. Because when Volvo's legendary FH16 truck meets Scandinavian design and smart living innovation, you don't just get a camper, you get a rolling luxury home that laughs in the face of rough terrain. So buckle up, because today we're taking a full walkthrough of the 2026 Volvo Camper Truck, the ultimate off-grid luxury ride that's changing the future of overlanding travel. At first glance, it's unmistakably Volvo: clean lines, a confident stance, and that signature ironmark logo that feels like authority on wheels. Built on the Volvo FH16 750 chassis, this camper truck stands tall, literally. Its ground clearance, reinforced frame, and 6x6 drive system make it ready for any trail, from Scandinavian snow to the Australian outback. The exterior shell is crafted from lightweight aluminum panels with integrated solar skins, feeding power to an onboard lithium system. Every edge is purposeful, from the roof-mounted satellite array to the modular storage bays that can hold e-bikes, gear, or even a compact inflatable boat. And the lighting? Adaptive matrix LED beams up front, with a full 360-degree perimeter light system that gives you daylight visibility even in the deepest forest nights. This isn't just a truck, it's a fortress of freedom on wheels. Open the automatic side steps and step inside, the transformation is jaw-dropping. Gone is the image of a rugged work truck. Inside, it feels like stepping into a Nordic luxury apartment. Volvo's Scandinavian roots shine here: clean design, soft oak finishes, ambient LED lighting, and minimalist textures that make the space calm and inviting. At the front, the cab flows seamlessly into the living area, no partitions, just space and air. The driver's cockpit is pure Volvo: digital instrument cluster, AI-based navigation, and a 15-inch central display that manages everything from terrain control to interior lighting. Behind it, a two-person lounge unfolds into a modular sofa bed setup wrapped in recycled suede leather and positioned under panoramic side windows. The kitchenette features a dual induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and a retractable dining bar with seating for two. Every surface is functional: hidden drawers, slide-out storage, and a compact espresso machine integrated right next to the sink, because Volvo knows adventure should never skip coffee. Head further back and you reach the bedroom suite, featuring a queen-size memory foam bed, overhead skylight, and blackout privacy blinds. Soft-touch fabrics and climate-controlled air vents make this space feel less like a camper and more like a boutique hotel suite. And yes, it even has a full bathroom. Compact but luxurious, it comes with a rain shower, self-cleaning toilet, and a heated mirror that won't fog no matter where you are. Powering this rolling masterpiece is Volvo's latest hybrid diesel plus electric drivetrain, combining brute torque with clean efficiency. On full electric mode, it can cruise quietly up to 100 kilometers, perfect for stealth camping or city entries. Switch to hybrid, and the FH16 engine delivers 750 horsepower and 3,550 Nm of torque, enough to climb alpine trails like they're city streets. The solar roof system generates up to 3.5 kilowatts, feeding a 40 kilowatt-hour battery bank that powers all onboard systems, from climate control to induction cooking. Everything is managed through Volvo's Smart Life Hub, an AI interface that learns your travel habits, adjusting power, lighting, and temperature automatically. There's even satellite internet, real-time GPS weather overlays, and remote vehicle monitoring through a smartphone app. You can literally manage your entire camper from anywhere, or let it manage itself. Now let's talk about the part that makes this Volvo special: the ability to go anywhere. Thanks to its hydraulic suspension system, the 2026 camper truck adjusts ride height on demand, lowering for highways, rising for river crossings or rocky trails. The all-terrain 6x6 drivetrain features torque vectoring, differential locks, and terrain mapping. Want to go off-grid for a month? No problem. With 400 liters of fresh water, solar charging, and smart waste recycling, it can stay independent for weeks. The integrated roof deck doubles as a stargazing platform or drone launch pad, perfect for capturing your adventures. It's the kind of vehicle that makes you rethink what travel means, where the journey is the destination. Compared to traditional RVs, the Volvo Camper Truck sits in a class of its own. While most luxury motorhomes focus on comfort, this one combines industrial strength with Scandinavian sophistication. It's tougher than a Sprinter 4x4, more refined than an Expedition Man TGE, and far smarter than any custom build on the market right now. Volvo didn't just build a camper, they built a statement of freedom. And that's what makes it special. It's not about showing off, it's about showing up anywhere on Earth and still feeling at home. So here's the question: if you had the chance to take one vehicle and just drive through deserts, forests, mountain trails, and endless open highways, would you choose comfort or capability? With the 2026 Volvo Camper Truck, you don't have to choose. You get both, wrapped in Scandinavian design, powered by innovation, and built with Volvo's promise of safety and reliability. This is more than a camper. It's your passport to anywhere. Your home, powered by the road beneath your wheels. What do you think? Would you take the 2026 Volvo Camper Truck on your dream adventure? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cinematic journeys into the world's most exciting vehicles. Because for us, every road has a story. And this one? Just might be the best one yet.